A quick short update video on my 55 Thunderbird Sky-View glass top. The latest is that the headliner is now installed as of last night, and I sanded and buffed the paint today, which took me all day, but it came out, I wouldn't call it 100%, but it's very nice. Has a good reflection. All the orange peel is gone that was on it, all the way around. See the reflection of the car in it. And then the headliner is in, and it's very nice. See it all the way up there. It looked better when the glass top is in. It looked much better, and when the rear window is in. And so that came out just as I had planned, and looks very nice. Very happy with that. And down there at the bottom over here is where the plug is for the dome lights once it's mounted, when it's mounted on the car. And so anyway, two things left. One is to put the glass top in and the rear window. Second thing is all the chrome trim on the border of the top with the new weather strip. So got it down to only after I buffed it today. Got the headliner done. There's only two things left and it'll be completed. So there you go.